So you know that person who always posts everywhere, I don't give an F, I don't care, and I don't give a damn. I know these people. And of course, you know these people as well. And you know where you'll find them. You'll find them on WhatsApp statuses, on Facebook posts, and on Instagram or what. You'll find these kind of people everywhere. And I just don't understand one thing. If you don't give an F, really, if you don't give an F, then why you're telling me and everyone else? Because if you are just categorizing yourself as a person who just don't like to give an F and who just don't care about anything, then it means all of us, like all of rest of us people who are not posting these things, it means we are like selling the Fs, and I am like out there on the streets like ले लो F ले लो 2 रुपए किलो 2 रुपए किलो मतलब 2 रुपए तो घर कुछ नहीं मिलता आजकल. But still it's very simple. If you are categorizing yourself as a person like you don't like to give an F, obviously the rest of us likes to give an F. So if you want, you can come and take. And you know what I think? If you are especially telling everyone that you don't care, it means you care. Because if you are not even caring, then why you are caring so much to post these things? Because you know how my mind works. If I really don't care about something, I'll not click the screenshot of that post and crop its size and invest my time in posting it and my data as well in posting it on some other social media apps and telling everyone else like I don't care or I don't give an F. I am ready to give all the Fs around. But I can understand if it's like normal time, you need to distinguish yourself from the people who are giving Fs. And because mostly in the normal time you are like sleep deprived, you are surrounded by too many people who are too fake and things like that, so you have to put these things to tell everyone like what is your thinking or what is your feeling exactly. But in this quarantine time, man, you're already alone, you're already not surrounded by anyone, you're already by yourself, no one cares about you, let me tell you, I'll tell you, no one cares about you. You know how I can tell you? Because I'm also going through the same. Because in this quarantine period, except my family and few of my friends and close relatives, look, the people I used to meet every day, even they have not even asked me whether I'm alive or died of corona or something. So if like no one is asking you, and if no one is asking me, for sure no one is asking you as well, because I am a bubbly chirpy person, still no one is asking me like I am alive or dead or what. So obviously you are such a manhoos person, who is asking you? Nobody. So if nobody is asking you, so what you are doing? You're posting like I am not giving an F. Who's asking you for an F? Even in this time, in this quarantine time, you must be posting the things कि कम मतलब यार क्या बोला जाए वैसे लोगों के लिए. I have like completely lost of words. So you also must be having these kinds of people in your life. You know the kind of people I'm talking about. Like they'll keep on posting these particular posts which are like कि मतलब basically all these posts sums up to a single thing, like they don't care about people, they don't want you to be their friend, they don't want you in their lives, and they don't want you to disturb them. And disturb them from what? From nothing, because they are also free. That's why they are doing this crap. Because if they were busy, they didn't have any kind of a time to post these things. Like obviously these people are free. Now I am telling you कि these are the few things. These people are free, they don't care about you, and they want some attention. That's why they're posting these things. So if you will just revert to them over these things, you know what they'll do. They will not reply you. Yes, this is what happens. You know what? Because I have tried it. There were few of my friends who were like posting these things, just once or twice. They were doing the same thing like from weeks. After like every 2-3 days I don't give an F, this sucks, that sucks, this person is fake, everyone is fake, everyone is fake, 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 fake. ठीक है, I've understood यार, एक बार दो बार समझ में आता है, बट कुछ और करो यार, कुछ और करो. सबको पता है सब फेक है, नहीं है, तो क्या करें अब, छोड़ दें. So what I have done, like one of my friends was also doing this. So as trying to become a good person, मतलब I am not a good person. Let me just tell you, I am a very moody, arrogant, sometimes rude, and kind of a selfish person. But I try to be nice because this is what we all should do. We all should try to be nice. Not everyone is nice, so I am not a nice person, but I try to be nice. So one of my friends was posting these kinds of things on Facebook, and I thought, like, as being a, or as trying to be a nice person, what I should do, I should ask what happened. So I asked him, like, what happened, why are you so sad, why are you posting these kinds of things? And you know what I have got in revolt? Nothing. Yes, I am showing you concern. I am showing you concern and trying to be genuine with you. And you are not even trying to revert me and being an average person by just replying to somebody who's asking you in this concern. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ एक बार ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा एक और बार हुआ कि there was some other girl and she was also doing the same thing. So I just asked casually, like, क्या हुआ, मतलब by texting, and I haven't got any revert. So after like 2-3 times इतनी बेइज्जती के बाद में अब मैंने सोच लिया है कि ऐसे लोग जो पोस्ट करते हैं इनको मैसेज ही मत करो. They are asking for attention, and when you give them the attention they are asking for, they won't reply you. And then what you will feel? You will feel like a shit. क्यों मैंने पूछा? मेरे को भी अपने arrogance में रहना चाहिए था. I should have done the same thing. I don't give an F. I don't give an F to the posts who are about don't giving an F. This is the motto of mine, and this motto should be yours too. And after watching this video, ask yourself as well, are you that person who's posting these things? Because if you are posting these things, you should stop it right now. You know why? Because already our world is so negative. There's so many negative, cruel things out there. When what you are putting out, you are putting some more negativity. Why? Just ask yourself, ask your heart. Because you know what happens? Whatever you give out comes back to you. So if you are still watching this video, I would like to say a few words. Like, if you have the power to post anything out in the public, obviously I mean social media like Instagram and WhatsApp and all these things, why not post something positive? Because you know already we are in testing times. You don't know in what mental state the other person is who's reading your post. So if you are just posting negative things, all the other person is getting is more negativity. So it's in your hand. It's in your hand to post a little more positive things. I don't care, like sometimes it's fine, but if you can, just try to be a little more positive. Because so this is it for today. I hope you like it, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.